Okay, so this video is going to be about making the cheaper, budget-friendly version of the RH putty canvas looking paintings. I'm literally using putty and gonna try and DIY it. I'll put a picture up just so you can see what that looks like, but it's gonna go right here. I'm gonna do two. This is our bedroom area. We got this chaise lounger recently and it just looks so like blah and boring. I need a plant. I need a plant. I probably am going to do like a side table. I'm going to DIY that too. And those two paintings. So follow along to see how I do it. Hopefully it comes out good. I'm so excited to reveal the putty canvas creations that I did. I went back and forth and I trialed and errored, and some of the colors didn't turn out good at the start, but I think it looks so good. I'm excited. I'm gonna hang them up today. This is a little sneak peek. They look so good. They look rich, you know?
And then add you're gonna keep the gold pillow there? Oof. Fire.